Hello everyone, welcome to CSFD channel, and now we are setting up our environment. To set up our environment, the first thing which we are doing is Java Jdk installation. So let's go through the Java Jdk installation in this video. So to install the Java Jdk, first we need to go to google.com and we will simply write Jdk 8 download. And here the first link will come from oracle.com, which will be Java SE Development Kit 8 downloads. So click on that, and then here we are seeing the different versions of it. So the first version it is showing here is Jdk 8U171 and the second version is Jdk 8U172. So we will install the latest version for the obvious reason. So my current system is Windows 10 and the architecture is 64-bit. So this is for 64-bit and the above one is for 86. 86 means 32-bit. So my current architecture is 64-bit. So I'll click on this, and before downloading it is saying that you must accept the license agreement. So to accept the license agreement I have to click here, and now it is accepted. Now I'll click on this Jdk 8U172 Windows x64.exe, and then the Jdk is downloading. So after some time the Jdk will be downloaded, and then we can go with the installation. So you download this Jdk, then let's go to the next step. So now you can see that Jdk is downloaded here. So now I'll try to install it. To install it, simply double click on the Jdk 8U172.exe and it will prompt, and then click on yes on the prompt, and now click on next, and it will install the Jdk 8 on your system. And here we are not done. Once the installation is done, we need to set up the environment variables also. So in the meanwhile, let me explain what is the difference between Jdk and JRE here. So there are two types of package which Java offers. One is Jdk and other is JRE. So the JRE will only enable your system to play the Java application. So if you want to only access the Java application, you just need to install the JRE. But if you are a developer, then you need to install the Jdk. Why? Because this Jdk already contains the JRE and it also contains the development kit. So you can not only play the application, but also you can develop it. So for the developer like us, we need to install the Jdk and not the JRE. Yeah, if you are not a developer, then you can simply go with the JRE installation. So now I hope that this see, now we will click we'll select the installation folder, and it is C program file Java and JRE 1.8.0. so JRE folder is installed, JRE installation is installing into that package, that folder, and then it will silently install the Jdk. So wait for the installation to finish. And now it is saying that Jdk is successfully installed. So let's close it. So now the Jdk is successfully installed, and we can check by going here in the this PC, C drive, and then program files, and then Java. And see, in Java we are able to see that there are two things, one is Jdk and one is JRE. I already told that JRE for just playing the application, and Jdk is the kit which developers use. So it also contains the JRE. So this is the development kit and this is the JRE. So if I am installing Jdk, you saw that I installed Jdk 1.8.0 and I got both of the things, Jdk also and JRE also, means development kit also and the runtime environment also. If I would have installed JRE, then I wouldn't have got this Jdk. So if you are a developer, then it's very necessary to install the Jdk. If you are not installing Jdk, then you won't be able to develop anything in the Java. So I got the Jdk and JRE. So it is a proof that our installation is successful. But is it enough? Now are we enough okay to go and make an application? No. Prompt and check if Java is installed or not. For that you have to go to command prompt and you have to write Java C for compiler, and when you press enter, you see that there is written Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So it means that our system, our command prompt, is not able to find the place where Java compiler is installed. So we need to set the path in the environment variable so that our system can know that Java is installed at what place. So now let us set up the path of the Java into the environment variable. To set the path, go to the Java installation, program files and Java. Go to Jdk 1.8.0 and go to bin and click and copy this path till the bin. Copy it and go to this PC and then properties and then advanced system settings and then environment variable. And you can see here there is one option called path. So click on edit, and on edit you click on new and then paste the path here, Control V. So now you are telling your computer that my Java is installed into this directory, and you click on OK, OK and OK. Now for Windows 7 or Windows 8 users, if your Java dash version was not working earlier, it was giving some error, now it will give the same which is happening in my system. So now you will also be able to access that Java installation. So this is an important step. In Windows 10 it is recognizing automatically, it's fine. So now Jdk is installed correctly, and now we are good enough to work on developing the application in the Java. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any query, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.